Welcome to Hello Experts, dear viewers. Today we embark on a captivating journey through Germany, exploring 5 remarkable rail routes that showcase the beauty of this country. Join us as we traverse the Hollentebaum, the Saxon Steam Railway route, Lindau on Lake Constance, the Black Forest Railway, and the iconic Ravenna Bridge in the Black Forest. Let the adventure begin. Our first stop is the Hollentebaum, also known as the Hell Valley Railway, running from Freiburg to Donau. This picturesque route takes you through the heart of the Black Forest. As the train winds through the lush valleys, dense forest, and tunnels, passengers are treated to the breathtaking views that define the charm of this region. But it's not just about the scenery. The Hollentebaum also boasts a fascinating history dating back to the 19th century. Imagine the tales these tracks could tell. The second one on the list is Saxon Steam Railway route. Now let's hop on the Saxon Steam Railway route, a delightful journey that feels like a step back in the time. The Saxon Steam Railway route is a scenic train route in Saxon, Germany that stretches about 100 kilometers and consists mostly of the old narrow gauge railway lines that preserve Saxony's heritage and culture. The train meanders through Saxony, revealing splendid surprises and a treasure trove of natural beauty, castles, and natural icons during its course. The route connects Leipzig to Zitu, from Wichelberg Mountains in the Ore Mountains to the Lonnegrund Valley, or from Habersberg Castle to Königstein Fortress. The route offers a mix of fabulous accommodation options, fine local cuisine, and activities the whole family will enjoy. The Saxon Steam Railway route is not a luxury train, but it offers a unique and beautiful experience. Lindau on Lake Constance. Now let's shift our focus to Lindau on Lake Constance, where rail seamlessly meets water. Lindau, nestled on an island in Lake Constance, is not just a destination, it's an experience. The train journey to the Lindau offers stunning views of the lake and Alps, creating a sense of wonder and anticipation. As you arrive at Lindau's charming railway station, you are greeted by a fusion of natural beauty and architectural splendor. It's a perfect example of how Germany's rail network integrates seamlessly with its breathtaking landscapes. Next on our list is the Black Forest Railway. Schwarzwaldbahn in German is a scenic train route in the Black Forest region of Germany. It offers beautiful and picturesque train journey through routes such as the Hinzing Valley Railway and Hollentebaum being part of this network. The Black Forest Railway runs hourly between Karlsruhe and Constance, with stops at various charming towns and villages along the way, such as Himmelreich and Hinterzer. The route provides stunning views of the Black Forest landscape, making it a popular choice for travelers seeking a scenic train experience. The train route is well connected with frequent services between the key locations such as Freiburg, and the last in the list is Munich to Neuschwanstein-Castle. The train journey from Munich to Neuschwanstein-Castle offers a scenic and convenient way to reach this iconic attraction. The closest train station at Neuschwanstein is Füssen, just 2 hours from Munich by train. From Füssen, it's a just 10-minute bus ride to Schwangu, where the castle is located. The train ride provides a picturesque journey through the little villages and forest, making it a delightful way to experience the Bavarian countryside. This train journey is a popular option for visitors looking to explore Neuschwanstein Castle and the surrounding area. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.